What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'm going to show you a simple method on how to draw Super Mario, but some of you have expressed the challenge of getting the right proportions. So the secret to a better drawing lies in our starting point and the step-by-step process I'm about to show you. So let's grab some paper and something to draw with and let's begin. Now you want to begin today's lesson along the bottom center of a page and draw an oval for the nose. Let's start in the middle at the very top. Just going to go out towards the side and then back in towards the middle. Go all the way around the right side. And just slowly bring that back up towards the top. Now with the nose in place, we're going to tuck the eyes in behind. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Let's start over on the left side. We're going to draw another oval, going up towards the top. And I want to round out the eye, come around the side, and just pull that in towards the side of the nose. Let's do the same thing on the right. I'm just going to go over towards the right side. And I want to bring that up towards the same height that we have on the left. Round out the eye. Down and then bend that in. Now we're also going to pull the iris and pupil towards the inside. Let's start from the top left, draw another oval, going all the way around, and just tuck that in towards the side of the nose. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's trace the iris along the inside. Drawing another oval, going all the way around and then in. Let's add a small highlight circle along the top of the pupils. And then we'll fill the bottom of the pupils in black. And we want to go around that highlight. And now we're going to move down and tuck the mustache in underneath the nose. Let's start on the left side, just underneath the eye. Just going to curve the mustache going out and then up towards the side. Let's line this up on the right side. Now I want to add a series of curves along the bottom of the mustache. Let's start over on the left, bend this out, and then in. Let's add another set of curves, and down and then up. And we'll add one more, coming down, and pull that up in the center. Let's switch to a thick black marker and fill the inside of the mustache going around the nose. So we'll start with the left. Let's tuck the mouth in underneath the mustache. We're going to start over on the left side, curve the mouth coming down, and then back up on the right, almost like a half circle. Let's go back over towards the left side, add a curve coming down and up for the top row of teeth. Along the bottom, let's add a curve going up and then down for the tongue, and then we'll fill the center part of the mouth in black. Now just underneath the mouth, we're going to add another curve, starting on the left, bend this down, just follow the curve of the mouth, pull that back up on the right. Let's line up the top of the cheeks with the tip of the mustache. We're going to step out and start on the left. Just going to round up the cheek, coming around, come down, and just tuck that in behind the lip, leaving a little overlap along the bottom. Let's go over towards the right. We go out, round up the cheek, and then bend that in towards the side. Let's go back up to the top of the cheeks, draw a straight line going up on the side of the head. And then we'll connect the ends with a curve going up above the eyes, in towards the middle, go across, and then bring that down towards the right. Now to place the eyebrows on top of the eyes, tucked in underneath the hat brim. Let's start over on the left, curve above the eye, and then down on the inside. I'll do the same thing on the right, going up, and then down. Now from the end of the eyebrows, we're going to go up and in underneath the edge of the hat. And we'll fill the eyebrows in black. Now let's add that hair along the side of the head. Starting from the top of the cheeks, we're gonna bend this in and up, come in, and then out underneath the hat. We'll do the same thing on the right, going in and bending that out. Now from the top corners of the hat, we're gonna draw in the ears. We go up, round up the ears, and just pull that in towards the side of the cheeks. Let's add a fold on the top of the ear. Step down, bend this up, and then down on the outside. Let's add one more curve. On the inside, just hook this around and in. Let's line up with the inside of the hairline and draw the top of the hat brim. We're gonna go up, go across, and we'll bend that back down. Now in the center of the hat, we're gonna draw a circle tucked in behind the hat brim. So let's start over on the left, draw a circle, going around towards the top, come around, and then tuck that in. Let's add that M in the center of that circle. Start with a point in the middle, angle up towards the left and right side, angle this all the way down towards the bottom. Now you want to work our way along the inside of the M. Start by angling this down and in, and we'll trace the inside of the M. And now we're going to work our way around the outside of the hat. We'll start on top of the ear on the left, bend this out, go up. It's going to come in towards the middle. It's going to round out the hat and work our way down towards the right side. And once we close off the hat, we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. There's a portrait illustration of Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single day. And if you want to learn how to draw the full character, you might want to check out this video over here. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.